Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National English Version School, Deshik. Today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student, and our today's topic is chapter 13. The name of the chapter is Our House and Clothes. Dear students, take your textbook in your hand and open page number 84 and follow the class with me. So let's start the class. The name of the chapter is Our House and Clothes, and from here we will know need for a house, rooms in a house, need for clothes. Dear students, first we will discuss need for a house. See, there is a picture, and that is a house, and that is this boy's house. We need a house because it protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals and thieves. House may be big or small. Look at this house. This is big house, and look at this hut. This is a small house. A flat is a house in a tall building. See, this is the tall building, and in this building the small portion is divided as flat. A hut is a small and simple house. This is a hut's picture. Now we will know about rooms in a house. This is Mina's house. Look at the picture. This is Mina's house. There are many rooms in her house. Different rooms in a house are used for different works. First one, Mina is saying that this is my house. This is the bedroom. Look, this is the bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. What we do in the bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom. Now, this is the storeroom. We keep things that are not used in the storeroom. This is kitchen. We cook in the kitchen. Look, here your mother used to cook, and this is Mina's house kitchen, and you also have a kitchen in your house where your mother used to cook. And this is dining room. We eat in the dining room. Now this is living room. We sit and relax in the living room. Look, there is sofas, and we used to sit and relax in the living room. Now look at this room. We take a bath, and we used as it a bathroom. This is called bathroom. We take a bath in the bathroom. Let's go to our next point, that is need for clothes. We need clothes to keep our bodies safe from heat, cold, wind and rain. They help us to stay clean and tidy. We wear different clothes at different times. Like when you come to the school, that time you wear school uniform, and when you stay at home, that time you used to wear some clothes that you can get relaxed. And in the summer you wear one types of clothes, and in winter you wear another types of clothes. Now look at the picture. There is some clothes. This is a girl's cloth and this is a boy's cloth. We wear thin cotton cloths when it is hot. And look, you can understand sweater, that is woolen gloves, caps. We wear woolen clothes when it is cold. Now look, you can understand what is this. This is a raincoat, an umbrella, this is gumboot, and we wear it in the rainy season. We wear raincoats and gumboots when it rains. We also carry an umbrella. Like today is a rainy day, when anybody wants to go outside, they need the help of raincoat or an umbrella. Now look at these points that you have to know. A house made of bricks and stones is a paka house, and a house is made of mud and clay is a kacha house. Now these points you have to be remembered. We need a house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wild animals and thieves. And second point is different rooms in a house are used for different works. And third point is we need clothes to keep our bodies safe from heat, cold, wind and rain. Dear students, now we will solve some fill in the blanks from this chapter. First one is a house in a tall building. The answer will be flat. A room where we take a bath. The answer will be bathroom. Dear students, there is not so much space, that's why I write here room. Third one is a room where we cook. The answer will be kitchen. Fourth one is shoes that we wear when it rains. The answer will be gumboots. Dear students, this is your homework and this is homework number 8. You have to do the fill in the blanks as your homework. That means this fill in the blanks. You have to submit the homework on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing at home. Obey your parents, learn previous all the question answer and read the chapter so properly. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.